So I'm out in Westwood, which is like next to Dedham. I don't know, but it's still considered part of it. It's only 2:02 and I just checked in and I already got an order for Chipotle, so I'm gonna go do that. And it's only 3 miles and I'm making $9 I think on that one. So first order already good, $4 bonus, like ready to start. Okay, so I currently got the order. It was a really big order. They ordered like a lot, especially for Chipotle. I don't know, like this bag's actually like pretty heavy, but yeah. And so it's only like a 3-mile distance, which is really good. So I'm gonna get there in like less than 10 minutes and then I'll be back to start the whole process all over again. Okay, so it's currently now almost 4. I did one more order and I forgot to record that, and then I came back and saw that Michael's was having a sale, so I took a quick shopping break. Honestly, that's the only good thing why I love doing this job, is because I can take breaks and stop working when I want to and then start back up. So yeah, I took a break and now I'm gonna start again. And yeah, just give you guys an update. Okay, so I'm currently at the next spot, Fridays, and the bonus is really good for some reason for this like weird half-hour point. So I'm getting $8 bonus, but I'm making $14 total for this order, and it's only around the corner, like less than a mile away, so good. Okay, currently got the order. It's a pretty big order, but I had to wait like a whole 10 minutes. And that's the one annoying thing sometimes with DoorDash, that certain orders, like, you'll go and the restaurant's like, we just got it. So it's gonna be a wait. I'm like, okay, thanks. And then it messes up your stats for DoorDash because they'll be like, oh, you're kind of late. And I'm like, you put the times wrong, but it's whatever because I'm making really good money for this. So next order, I'm at Hooters, making $12 for this one. And all I think about is just this one like vid clip. I'm gonna put it down, but
right, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Money reside, where the money reside. Cause I've never been in a Hooters, so this is gonna be actually interesting. I've never been inside one. I don't know why I'm thinking it's like a strip club or something. No. Got the Hooters order. It there was a lot of women in there, more than I expected, but they be straight up yelling. Like, I don't know how they work there, because the men they were yelling like they were at the actual game. But yeah, now I'm gonna be delivering. Okay, so I'm currently now in Newton. So the order that I just did for Hooters, I ended up delivering it all the way out into Newton, and then now I'm like, I might as well just stay in Newton. I don't feel like driving back to Dedham, and Newton's doing a $4 bonus also, just like Dedham. So I'm near Cheesecake Factory. I love this Cheesecake Factory because they come out to you, so I don't have to get out the car at all. Like, I just roll out the window, tell them this is the order, and they put it in the car. I feel like a rich bitch, you know? But not really. But I just don't, it's too cold to be getting out the car, so that's why I like this place. Got a double order, so that means I have 2 orders, both from Cheesecake Factory, and it says they're both ready, and where I'm delivering to, they're very close to each other. So one order I'm making $12 and the other one I'm making $11. So really happy. Double order. Here's the double orders and the drinks for both. I just did one order and I was supposed to only make $12 from it, and I made $19. And I'll show the clip because they do a lot. Sometimes they'll charge more. They'll say you make a certain amount and then you get more than that. So on to the next. So I just delivered the other half order, which I made 11 from. So I made in total $30 from just those 2 orders. That other order, and I didn't realize till now that that house, I've delivered to that house before. And it's done that before where I made more than the total it said. But yep. And so now I'm gonna head back to Cheesecake Factory because I just like it over there and my chances of getting a double order is much higher. So I'm gonna go back there because that's where the money resides. I'm honestly just, this whole video is gonna be about that. Like, I watched that clip so much. Where the money resides, where the money resides, where the money resides. Just got another double order. That's where the money resides. That's where the money resides. But yeah, another double order from Cheesecake Factory. I honestly love this store because they do so well and I never have to go out the car. But yeah, I'm gonna deliver these and be back. Okay, just delivered an order and it was around the corner, really good. And I've delivered to this guy before too. And then he ended up tipping me $10 cash, even though he tipped me on the app. So I was like, okay, but very grateful. So okay guys, so I wanted to do a quick update. Sorry, there's a car behind me. Awkward. Just true. Okay. So it's 7:45 right now. I'm gonna keep going till 9:30, but just the update, I'm at a total of $96, so I know I'm making my 100, but I want to keep going for another like hour and a half and see how much I can really get. But it's been going really good. I just finished one order and this was like $12 I think I made from this order. Almost every order I've done has been like more than $10, and that's why it's adding up so quickly, because I only started at 2 p.m. and it's almost 8, so 6 hours and I'm already at like basically $100. So hey guys, so by the end of the night I realized that I forgot to do an outro, so here I'm going to show the totals for just Sunday. Made $9 here, then $26, and then $70, which for a good amount of time. Here's all the tips. And then made $30, and here's all the tips. So I made a total of $135 for actively dashing for 5 hours. Thanks so much for watching and coming along with me while I dash. If you have any questions or need any tips on DoorDashing yourself, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.